What's up, y'all? So, me and my girl, we love to go walking for cardio around Vegas because we're still pretty new to Vegas. Upon these walks, sometimes we find some hidden gems around Vegas. This hidden gem was a car show that we didn't even know about. So, we figured we'd take the opportunity to film some of them because there were some tight ass fucking cars there, you know? And the other good thing about it is it was totally free. Well, the outside part was. So, we just got some good shots of the cars. Yeah, enjoy the video. If you like nice cars, this is all about the cars we seen.
Y'all can't really see it, but this paint job is crazy. Y'all can't even. It's like violet or I don't know. Whoa, look at that one. Look at that one, babe. Everybody's got this like purple. I like it.
Ooh, this
It's
purple's
nice. Yeah. I don't know what that is. It's dope. Oh.